Nag-top
yes,
notcher.
alam nyo ba guys, 1 million yung top, price sa top notcher.
May milyonaryo ka agad.
Pwede ko mag-take ulit?
Can we call you dad and dada? Yes.
Yes, sure.
Alam niyo, super kinikilig kami when you guys call us parents or dad, dada, ganyan. Some na makikat, Erin, where are you? On my way.
Hi, Erin!
On the way here? Hi, Dad. Hi, Christina. How their personalities balance each other. Bonding together.
Favorite bonding together.
Eating.
Walking. Walking talaga.
Walking guys talaga.
Walking.
Pag magkasama kami guys, you're always gonna catch us somewhere in BGC walking. Especially at night. So the whole day, lagi kaming busy. At night, we try to as much as possible walk around BGC.
Yes.
Because I live here, so
I love walking around BGC.
It's a walkable city. Sana maka-visit kayo sa Boracay. Oh, we're planning to go there. Sana soon. Hindi ko na mabasa yung iba, guys. Sino mas baby daw? Sino pa mas baby? May mga times na ikaw, may mga times na ako. Depende kung sino mas nangangailangan sa amin ng lambing. Happiest moments together when we're together with our families. Like, kasama tayo na we're in our family. Kunwari, example, nung family, kasama ko ng family mo, kasama ka ng family ko. Feeling ko yun. Who cooks better po?
Sure.
Pero, feeling ko masarap din naman luto ni Ian. Itlog. Itlog pa lang naluluto niya eh.
Pinagluto. Ay,
itlog.
Tuna
Na may itlog.
Tuna lang may itlog.
Non-negotiables, of course, cheating. Lagi naman yung sinasabi sa isa't isa. Cheating. And I feel like I don't see it happening with sa kanya. I don't see na gagawin niya.
Same din naman.
What type of doctor po yung will both of you spend Christmas together? Will we? Let's find out. When po ulit kayo bibisita ng LU? We're going back ng November, right?
Yeah.
We're going back ng November.
Favorite food na niluto ni Daddy Justin? Everything lahat talaga.
Pero ano yung pinaka?
Yeah. The classic one. The first food na niluto niya sa akin, I remember, is shrimp. Diba?
Yeah.
Tapos, every time kinukook niya yun, it feels so surreal kasi.
Lalo na kapag, love, what were you craving for ngayon? Lagi tayong kumakain sa labas. Lagi niya yun i-request niya. So, lulutuin ko. Hipon.
I also love sinigang na salmon belly.
That also.
Alimango.
The combo for real.
The crabs talaga. Like, we love seafoods.
Uy, thank you sa nagbigay ng wine glass.
Andito yun.
Yeah, it's here. Somewhere there. It's there. Thank you. Anong daw tawag? Ayan, si Lucy eh. Thank you, Lucy. Siya yung wine glass.
Thank you, Lucy.
Ang cute ng wine glass. Guys, I don't know. I've never watched BL. So, hindi ko din alam yung mga BL. Yeah, I've never watched BL. Tapos, alam nyo ba, nung nasa Thailand ako, I didn't know na yung kasama ko pala doon are like celebrities in Thailand. So, nagulat na lang ako nung pinost ko. People are commenting na, that's Mond and T from like a Thailand BL series, something like that. I didn't know. But they were so like, may vlog nga ako kasama sila kaso hindi ko pa na-edit guys. Ang tagal ko nang hindi edit ng mga vlog. Sorry. Who apologizes first?
Who apologizes first?
Depende. Both naman tayo if we know we're wrong.
Yan, tama.
Alam nyo guys, meron akong mga ano sa LU dapat. I had events dapat in SMLU kaso I wasn't able to push through because of like budget constraints. But I'm supposed to do Uniqlo, Power Mac, and then SM Cinema in LU for SMLU, but it wasn't pushed through because may mga budget constraints. So sayang, hopefully next time makavisit pa din kami sa LU.
We're gonna visit LU soon.
We're gonna visit LU soon.
Soon.
Super soon. Happy birthday po sa malapit na mag-birthday. Sorry, sobrang bilis ng ano.
Medicine specialty.
Yeah, anong medicine?
Currently, I'm still a second year pa lang ako ng med school. So, pero kung tatanungin mo ko what I want to pursue sa residency, probably pedia, but I'm not really sure pa. Pedia, neuro, derma. Yeah. But, ang dami ko pang consideration. I also want to do surgery, emergency. Not totally
Dami.
final pa.
Parang
Matagal
feeling
pa naman
ko, ano yun eh, ma-change lahat yun once you're in the, ano na. Sino una nag-chat? Me.
Pero sa tingin mo, ano bagay sa akin yung specialty? Knowing me.
Feeling ko bagay ka sa cardio.
Cardio?
Cardiothoracic, di ba? From heart, puso. Kasi inaalagaan mo yung puso ko eh. Gabi niya kasi alagaan yung puso ko, guys. Cardiothoracic. Uy, ayun na naman. Verifying. Hello, po TikTok.
Who's more clingy?
Both of us are clingy.
Both of us are clingy.
Ikaw yan.
Look, how would I improve my study habits?
Help me.
That's a general question. It's hard to answer, but do what works best for you. Sa akin naman kasi I started with a lot of ano rin, like study habits. So, nagkaroon lang ako ng own system ko nung nasa college na ako. Alam ko na yung nag-work for me. So, it takes a lot of trials din, what works best for you. But I would recommend you should try doing more of active learning, like flashcards, practice questions, active recall. Yeah. Ayun kasi effective eh. Tsaka napatunayan na yun sa research that it's effective.
Tama. Ganun din ginawa ko nung nag-aaral pa ako. Thanks to your advice. Oh, hindi... I think ayaw ni Rocky. I mean, you don't see yourself getting tattoos.
I don't see myself,
Pero he doesn't have anything against it naman. Kasi ako, I have a tattoo.
Ako lang, ayoko lang sa sakin ng tattoo.
Ako, I have a tattoo. Minahal niya pa ako sa tattoo.
Feeling ko lang di bagay sa akin magkaroon ng tattoo.
Yeah. Kasi parang yung vibes mo super, like, super innocent, cute, gano'n. Ano pong tawag nyo sa aming mga anak nyo? Hindi nga din namin alam eh, babies. Ano po cute na name for our kids? Kids talaga. Kailan po kasal nyo? Oh, we're married na guys. Show your ring. Baka maniwala sila. Nakshis.
Sunod na Heimlich maneuver ni Sir Rock.
Si Justin.
Pwede naman ngayon.
Paano ba yun? Di ba may dito yun, di ba? Pero tinuturuan talaga ako niya.
Tinuturuan ko siya.
Kasi sabi niya, love, pag may mga emergencies, you need to learn how to like, do it.
Tinuturuan ko rin siya ng CPR. Like, kasi paano pag ako yung na-choke, tapos ako yung nagkaroon ng cardiac arrest, sino mag-kisave sa akin? So, kailangan matutunan niya.
Tama.
Tinuturuan ko siya.
Ano pong una yung chat? Get well soon. Sino po pinaka-funny sa inyong dalawa? You also.
You. You're way funnier than me.
But you're funny also. All over again. Ako nga guys, I was the first one who messaged. So first move na yun. He's the first one who invited me out on a date. He's the first one who said I love you. He's the first one who confessed his feelings for me. But I was the first one nag-first move, basically. Beach vacation or mountain getaway? Beach. We both love water.
Beach.
Who's more kuripot?
To myself.
Yeah, to himself. Pero kapag sa
I don't buy
iba,
for myself.
pag sa iba, gastos yan guys. Jupebis na lang tawag yung sa babies niya nung nagdesisyon na ako. Jupebis. Is it a
Akala
nice
ko
name?
Jubis.
Jupebis. Jobbles.
Jubis ka.
Ay, Jubis ba?
Jubis Road. Jobbies.
Jobbles.
Jobbles. Jubis.
He's taller, guys.
Jubos. Jubos.
Guys, hindi yun pwede. Peju. Para namang ano ng pecho yung kain. So, yung ano ng manok. Pebis.
Diabetes.
Bubbles. Diabetes. Tubol. Ano lang yun.
Jupeblets.
Peblets.
Jabebis. Alam nyo guys, wag na lang.
Alam nyo guys, mahal namin kayong lahat.
Jubols. Barbelats.
Barbila. Who cooks better? I think it's me nga.
It's you. Kidney stones.
My favorite memory of Ian is when... Actually, marami. Marami na. Marami. Siguro nung magta-Thailand ako, which is recent lang. Sobrang mamimiss kita nun eh. Alam mo yun na mamimiss kita. Kinuha niya yung phone ko. Tapos naglagay siya ng letter nun. Ah, love! May mga times pa pala na nagsusulat. Nagsusulat siya sa journal ko, guys. Ng mga ano niya, mga love letter niya sa akin. Tapos ipapabasa niya lang sa akin kapag super tagal na niyang nasulat. Like, magchat-chat yan pag nasa malayo na siya. Love, kunin mo yung journal mo. May sinulat ako nung gantong araw. Babasahin ko yung journal ko. A love letter. Sobrang mahal mo naman ako, mahal.
Siyempre.
Yeah, may grade to.
Yes.
Kaya nga sabi ko sa kanya, huwag ka din masyadong tutok kasi baka mamaya mas lumala. Mas lumala pag nasa doktor ka na, mahirap. Kakangiti. Anyways guys, medyo naging late na din. Yes.
Siguro we can answer or read 2 comments pa.
Yeah, sige. Mga siguro 12:30. Let's end 12:30. Message to each other. I'm thinking nga eh. Kasi parang lahat
Parang lahat
yan
ng sinasabi
nasasabi ko.
natin
Alam niyo ba guys, ang isa sa routine namin before we go to sleep, we say, we ano each other. We talk good things about each other. And I think that's the best. I think it's part of our prayer na din before we go to sleep. To also say thank you and like to say our message to each other. Sinong mas sweet? Parang basically guys. Ewan mo din eh, parang parehas, no?
Ano sabi?
Sino daw mas sweet sa atin?
Equally naman.
Equal, no? Like, every time na iisipin ko na, oh, I'm so lucky. But then, you're also gonna think na parang, ano din, parang every time naisipin ko na mas sweet ako ganyan, and then I'll realize all the things you've done for me. Like all the love letters, all the
Message to your babies.
yeah, you go first.
Sabi na naman, you go first.
You go first now.
You go first.
You know what, guys? After we came out, we were both really scared. As in, super duper scared talaga kami. Like, we actually didn't touch our phone until nung gabi na when we came out. So we were surprised and positively overwhelmed with the amount of love and support we've been receiving until now. So we just want to say na thank you po for the safe space that you built for us. Kasi grabe, hindi talaga madali. It took us a lot of courage to do this. So we're thankful to everyone who have been showing love. As in, everyday grateful kami sa pinapakita niyong pagmamahal sa amin. So yun, sana andyan kayo lagi for us, and hopefully we make you happy, we make you smile. That's what's important naman din. Na aside from us making each other happy, is that we guys make you happy also.
Ayun. That's so sweet. Okay, yun na rin. Copy-paste. Joke lang. Ako same din. I just wanna say thank you to everyone. We actually didn't expect this kind of acceptance from a lot of people. When we decided to come out, nung nag-decide ako, especially for me na mag-post, all I can think about is not what other people can say, but ang naisip ko lang nun is I just want to share our love together to the world.
Kasi ang tagal din natin.
Tagal na tsaka we've been together for a long time, so parang feeling ko
it's time
na talaga.
We share it also.
I
deserve din naman ng love natin na ma-celebrate.
And hopefully, we're very happy na since we came out, may mga nababasa kami mga message that somehow na-enlighten namin sila, na-inspire sila with our stories of coming out, and I hope it gave some hope to other people to just take your time. If you're having a hard time right now to come out, just take your time, and we're praying na in your perfect time you can freely come out and you will be accepted. And please know that we're here for you. Out of all the people, whether it be your family or friends, kami dito ni Juju for you. So if you need some comfort, we're just here. I know it's hard, and we really understand because we came from that experience as well. So thank you so much, everyone. We're so happy, and
we're so happy.
Yeah, we're just so happy.
1.8 million likes. What the? Thank you guys so much for all the love. Really awesome. That's it, guys. We love you all, and have a great sleep. Have a great night. Good night, everyone.
Bye bye.
Bye bye, guys. Big hug from us. Let's hug them. Bye bye, guys. Good night. Good night. See you next time.
Bye bye. Good
Bye
night.
bye.
I love you guys.
Love you guys.